from Kansas City, Missouri. Today, we're at Arrowhead Stadium. Thanks for joining us. Well, we've had quite a year so far with some incredible individual performances.
You have called head. Kansas City has won the toss and choose to receive. Good luck, man.
Both teams eager to get today's action started, so let's go to the field. Janikowski is just about ready to kick this one away. He gets the kick away. That kick cleared the back of the end zone.
Wow, he got a lot of leg into that kick. They should have put the field goal net after that one.
Man in motion. Green gives the ball off. And he stopped at the 21. Couldn't find much of a hole, and he's brought down after a gain of what looks like a couple.
Yeah, you talk about push. This line got no push at all, and there was nowhere to go.
And they need about 9. Ball on their own 21. On the carry. Dixon makes the tackle at the 22-yard line. They get a couple on that play.
Right now, they need to keep going at the defense with a run. Sooner or later, they'll be able to break one for a big gain.
The Raiders will be missing one of their defensive linemen in this one. They're telling us he's going to need some type of surgery on his knee, so it looks like he's going to be out for quite a bit of time. Dropping back, pass. Parker can't come up with it on that attempt. The blocking broke down on that play, allowing the defender to get to the quarterback as he was releasing the ball.
I'm not sure how they got through, but the defense really wanted the quarterback.
About 8 yards. Straczynski is just about ready to punt this one away. Number 31 looks like he's ready for the return. And this one will be returned. He didn't have much to work with, but still got away a decent return.
Hey, even if it doesn't seem like much, positive yards on a return is better than nothing.
It's 1st and 10. They'll go with the pass. Throws it. Broken up. Gordon drops it.
It's frustrating as a coach when you see a guy make a great one-handed catch and then drop the easy one.
So it's 2nd and 10. Ball on their own 44. Garner moves in motion. Dropping back. Gets rid of it. Batted down. Number 25. Knocks it down.
Yep, nothing fancy there. Don't even give the receiver a chance. Just knock it down.
It's 3rd down and 10 to go. Ball on their own 44. With an extra DB, the defense is in the nickel. Dropping back. Number 8 rolls right with the pass. He had a player who was wide open in the second.
The only thing worse than dropping a pass is dropping a pass that brings up a 4th down.
Fourth and 10. Looking downfield. Rolling out to his right. Looking for an option. The 50. Sims makes the tackle at the 48-yard line. You don't see too many teams going for it the first half of a game, so why the gamble there?
Hey, I don't know. I guess you get in the heat of the battle and you think, hey, these guys can't stop me. But then you get stopped and you give the other team a chance. And if you hadn't got stopped on 3rd down, you wouldn't be on 4th down.
Using motion.
Outside.
Green hands it off. Looking to turn it upfield. Coleman makes the play at the 46-yard line. Gain of 6 on the play. It's 2nd down and 3 to go. Ball on the 46-yard line. Looking for an opening. And he stopped at the 40-yard line. Holmes showed a great burst of speed after he took the handoff on that play.
You got to give the offensive line a lot of credit on that play. They blew the defenders off the line and gave that runner plenty of lanes to choose from.
With the carry. Puts on the juke. Can't bring him down. Woodson makes the play at the 29. Beautifully designed play there, John.
Anytime you can get a run like that for a first, it does a lot for your whole offense. I wouldn't be surprised to see some sort of play pass to build off that big gain.
Richardson moves in motion. He gets the carry. And he's stopped at the 13. He really covered some good ground there.
And here's a guy with great speed who can pick up the first, then keep the ball moving downfield.
Down inside the 15. Green, under center. Cloud looking for blockers. Picked up 10 yards. Second and short.
Big play.
At the end of the first quarter, it's knotted up. Kansas City, 0. Oakland, 0. Second and short. Ball on the 3-yard line. Green gets set.
Make it happen. Come on, defense, keep it up.
Looking downfield, throwing, and he finds the open man. Great timing on that touchdown throw.
And that's one of those passes we see a lot when the quarterback releases it, the receiver's not even looking. But then he looks up, and the ball's right there.
The kick is up, and he tacks on the extra point. And so they turn that drive into a great one as it ends with a touchdown.
Hey, as an offensive coach in this league, you're always making adjustments. And hopefully you can get the defense on its heels and get it in there for the touchdown. Good job by these guys.
He sends it off. Looking for a good return. Oakland is down by 1 touchdown.
Congratulations to the person seated in section 36, row 4, C8. You just won a free EA Sports video game.
Back to pass. Number 8 lets it fly. Gets his hand on it.
Complete pass intended for number 81.
Let's go to Melissa.
I was able to talk to the team doctor, Al, and he indicated that it's a minor injury. They expect that it'll take a series or 2 off, then return to the field.
Melissa, thanks for the update. Sounds like he'll be back very soon. He got the quarterback. So they dug themselves into a hole here, a long 3rd down situation. Ball on their own 17. Nickelback in this time. Looking downfield. Rolling out to his right. With the throw. Hits the target with the pass. So they have 1st and 10 here. Ball on their own 39. Almost at the 2-minute mark now. He's looking to pass. He surveys the field. Gets rid of it. Williams could make the catch. He's lucky that one wasn't picked off.
I'm no quarterback, but even I saw that he was covered.
It's 2nd down and 10 to go. Looking to pass. Number 8 rolls right. Gets the pass off. Hits the target with the pass. It's 1st and 10. They'll go with the pass. With the throw. Hits the target with the pass.
It's complete to number 81 for a gain of 21 yards.
First and 10. Dropping back. Surveying the field. Steps up into the pocket. Gets the pass off. Woods makes the tackle at the 6. Terrific athleticism there. Leaping up, catching the pass.
This receiver has great body control. It doesn't seem to matter where it's thrown. He always seems to come up with it.
First down and goal to go. Seventh play of this drive. Back to pass. Passing to his right. Great catch. The defense looked like they were expecting something completely different on that play.
The defense has to do a better job of play recognition than that. Nothing makes you look worse than being caught out of position, and the other team taking advantage and going in for the score.
And with that score, the momentum has shifted. And it's on its way, and the extra point is good. Janikowski will be kicking off.
Number 20 and number 82 to receive.
He kicks it off. The returner will head upfield. Well, it appears he's injured. He's getting off the field okay, so we'll have to wait to find out what we can from Melissa in just a moment.
Since the defense knows they're going to be passing, the offensive line will have to hold their ground and be ready for any type of stunt. They might even have a back try to chip on the defensive end before going out in the pass pattern.
Watch the outside. Watch me.
Looking to throw. Green throwing it to the left. Number 31 knocked that one down.
An interception would have been nice, but a great play either way. As a defensive lineman, you love this because you know they're going to be passing. So you don't worry about a play pass or a handoff or anything like that. You just rush the passer. Hey, don't think the quarterback doesn't know that because he'll let the ball fly before he gets sacked by one of those guys.
The Chiefs using motion, looking to pass, tosses it over the middle. Nice connection. And he's tackled at the 48. Good job bringing the pass in.
This guy can really move. He turns things up 2 or 3 notches when it really counts. That's the kind of thing you love to see as a coach. Guys who have that second and third gear.
Until they can get closer, we'll probably just see throws from them here on out. Ball at about midfield.
Roger. Watch your man. Single. Check your minute. Let's go.
The quarterback gets set with only one back behind him. Man in motion. Drops back. Pumps. Sends the pass away. He got his hands on it, but the pass was incomplete.
Any more of those, and he might find himself riding the bench. I'll tell you, we've had a close first half, but it should be the same for the second. And that's why it would be big if they could get a field goal here. The way this thing is going, that could be the margin of victory.
Wide. Single. Look pass.
He's looking to pass. Uses the pump. Passes it. Nice completion. Missed tackle. Woodson is starting to make his presence felt out here.
Timeout called by the offense. One timeout remaining.
I'd mix things up a bit. There's a fair amount of time left, and they're already close enough for the kicker. I'll tell you, if they keep this defense guessing, this tie might be broken by a touchdown, not a field goal.
The quarterback gets set with only one back behind him. On the carry. Perella pulls him down at the 19-yard line inside the red zone.
Roger, watch your man.
Dropping back. Throwing. And he hits his target. Trent Green finds his man and throws his second touchdown of the game. And it's up. The extra point attempt is good. And with that score, they're up by a touchdown. Straczynski in to kick this one off.
Number 4 to kick off. Number 31.
He sends this one toward the end zone. Looking upfield. Missed tackle. They'll head back onto the field looking to duplicate their last drive when they were able to get the ball into the end zone, basically through their passing game. 1st and 10. Ball on their own 30. 4 linemen and 3 linebackers lined up defensively. Looking to pass. Looking for a receiver. Number 8 with the throw. Number 59 makes the tackle at the 41-yard line. He throws a perfect strike.
That was one heck of a throw. You can see him setting for the pass, then boom, it was gone.
So they're almost within their kicker's range. Ball on the 41-yard line. They'll go with a pass. Rolls right, looking downfield. Number 8 with the throw, and he steps out of bounds at the 18-yard line.
We need to watch the guys up front on this play. They're going to be passing, and the best thing the defense can do here is to get some pressure on the quarterback. Either throw a pick or taking him down for the sack.
The quarterback gets set with only 1 back behind him. He's going to throw. He surveys the field, gets rid of it. Williams was the intended receiver, so the pass falls incomplete in the end zone. Janikowski is heading onto the field for this field goal attempt. The kick is up, and the kick sails wide.
This guy might have a strong arm, but I don't think we'll be seeing any type of Hail Mary. A simple run should get us to halftime.
It's 1st and 10. Morton comes in motion. He tosses it away. Holmes with the juke. And he stopped at the 26. It's the end of the 2nd quarter with the score. Kansas City 14. Oakland. And welcome back. So with halftime now over, let's take a look at how both teams performed in the first half. Straczynski looks like he's just about ready to kick this one off. He gets the kick away. Kirby returns this kick. Oakland is down by 1 touchdown. 1st and 10. He's looking to pass. Looking for a receiver. Patton with the stop at the 28-yard line. Number 8 did a great job of making something out of nothing on that play.
The quarterback felt some pressure coming from the outside. He decided to pull it down and run with it.
Quick drop. Loose ball. The Raiders grab the live ball. And you know the defense is very angry at that missed opportunity.
That was a foot race to the fumble. Looks like the extra wind sprints at practice are paying off.
1st and 10. Looking to pass. Throws it. And he finds the open man. A display of good concentration by the receiver.
If he can make catches like that regularly, he can expect to see more passes thrown in his direction.
So they have 1st and 10 here. Back to pass. Surveying the field. Number 59 comes up big for the defense, dropping the quarterback.
After you take a couple of hits like that, you learn not to hold on to the ball too long.
Quick drop. Throws it. And he's tackled at the 29. Number 8 finds the open receiver again and is now thrown for more than 150 yards. It's 1st and 10. Dropping back. Looking for an option. Throws it. Nice connection. And a great throw for the touchdown.
Yeah, he threw that where only the receiver could get it.
Another touchdown pass gives him 2 in the game.
Set.
And it's on its way. The point after is good. And so the offense is able to drive the majority of the field and finish with a touchdown.
And give some credit to that big offensive line. Those guys are working hard out there, and it's showing on drives like that.
Janikowski in to kick this one off. He sends it off. He wants to give his team good field position here. Fumbled. The Raiders are there to pick up the ball. He's not getting up. We'll take it down to the sideline to find out what happened as soon as we get the information. It's 1st and 10. So with a timeout to spare, the coach has decided it's worth the risk to see if he can get this one reversed.
The ruling on the field stands. There was a fumble on the play. The Chiefs will be charged a timeout.
Clearly the coach thought it could have been reversed, but it didn't turn out that way.
That's one of those calls where you just want to be sure the officials made the right call in the field. It didn't get overturned, but the coach has to feel better now that he knows it wasn't a bad call.
Number 8 sets up. He's going to throw. Looking for an option. Gets rid of it. And he hits his target. The quarterback did a real good job finding his target with that pass.
That was quite a throw. This guy's been blessed with a golden arm.
It's 1st and goal. Ball on the 1. Garner, the lone back, dropping back. Passing to his right. Nice connection. And so just like that, pass, catch, touchdown.
The receiver looked the ball into his hands, and he knew right there he had 6.
Number 8 adds another touchdown pass, his 3rd of the game. The Raiders find themselves up by a small margin.
Set.
And it's up, and he tacks on the extra point. Well, you can't ask for much more out of a drive that gets you into the end zone.
They did everything they had to on that one, and the end result is a trip across the goal line and a TD on the board.
Janikowski will be kicking off.
Number 20 to receive.
He kicks it off. The last time they had the ball, they gave it away on a fumble. Melissa, what have you heard on the sidelines about that injury?
I'm told that it's a very serious injury, Al. They're planning to run some additional tests, but there's a good chance that he's seen his last action of the season. A very tough blow to the
Thanks for the update, Melissa. Boy, he really got hit on that play. Gets the pass off. Harris makes the tackle at the 35-yard line. A powerful arm display on that pass.
Heck, that guy better count his fingers to make sure they're all there after catching that one.
So we have 1st and 10 here. Green sets up. They'll go with a pass. Stepping up, throws over to his right. He makes the catch for his 1st reception of the day. Second and 1 coming up. He's looking to pass. Passes left. Nice completion. Across midfield. He makes the catch for his 1st reception of the day. So we've reached the end of the 3rd quarter with the Oakland Raiders ahead of the Kansas City Chiefs, 21-14. So they're almost within their kicker's range. Ball on the 42-yard line. And we're at the 3-minute mark. He's looking to pass. Passes it. Nice connection. He put everything he had behind that throw.
That's one way to make sure your receiver doesn't drop the ball. You throw it so hard that he has to catch it in self-defense. You just put it right on.
2nd and 3 coming up here. Ball on the 35-yard line. receives the handoff. Woodson makes the play at the 26. Effective running there, and they pick up a first down.
A few more runs like that, and this defense is going to get an earful from the coach.
It's 1st and 10. Four linemen and 3 linebackers lined up defensively. Romanowski with the tackle at the 22-yard line, and that's now 3 tackles for him in this game. 2-minute warning coming up. Green hands it off. Woodson stopped him there, and according to our numbers, that's tackle number 6 for him. And a pickup of about 2. 2 minutes to the final gun. It's 3rd down and 4 to go. 2 minutes to go.
Get into it. Get into it.
Dropping back. Looking for a receiver. Passes left. Knocked away. There's a flag on the play.
Unsportsmanlike conduct. Roughing the passes. Defense.
You have to be careful around quarterbacks these days. You can't touch them after they let go of the ball.
1st down and goal to go. Ball on the 10-yard line. Green gets set. Gonzalez, the man in motion. Searching for a seam. Beaker with the stop at the 1. 9-yard gain. 2nd down, goal to go. Ball on the 1. They'll go with a pass. Steps up into the pocket. Green with the throw. So the pass falls incomplete in the end zone. So now we have 3rd and goal. Ball 1 foot away.
Change, switch it up. Come on, defense, whip it up. Somebody get over there.
The Chiefs use motion.
Over there, over there.
Looking to pass. With the pass. The defense came up big on that incompletion.
This is where you have to clamp down. Play tight, keep the pressure on. If the defense can buckle down, they can end the game in this play. In this situation, it could be either a run or a pass, so they got to be ready for anything. The defensive line will be the key, because any penetration by them should disrupt the play.
Man in motion.
Hey, hey, hey.
He's looking to pass. Looking downfield. Throws over to his right. He made sure he got that one in there in the hole.
You hear that sound as that guy made the catch? He threw it so hard he almost knocked his receiver out of the end zone.
The kick is up. The point after is good. Straczynski will be kicking off.
Number 4 to kick off. Number 31.
He sends this one toward the end zone. Number 31 is looking to pick up some blocking. Let's see if they can have the same sort of success on this possession that they had on their last, picking up a lot of yardage through the air on their way to a score. So they have 1st and 10 here. He's looking to pass. Number 8 sends the pass away. Williams could make the catch. Number 8 had to unload that pass in a hurry.
Getting pressure on the quarterback is the easiest way to disrupt a pass play. The defensive line should take full credit for that play.
Looking downfield. Throws it. And he finds the open man. Number 59 was in on the play again for another tick on the stat sheet. That was flawless execution.
That one was all about timing. The quarterback let it go, and the receiver looked back just at the right time.
So they have 1st and 10 here. Ball on their own 44. Looking to throw. Looking for an option. Tosses it right. Hits his man with the pass. Number 25 stops him at the 28.
Timeout called by the defense. They have 1 timeout remaining.
In this situation, they really don't need to pass at all. They just need some positive running plays to take time off the clock and set up the field goal to win it.
It's 1st and 10. Ball on the 28-yard line. He's looking to pass. He surveys the field, throws it. Brown was the intended receiver. The defender was all over him on that play, forcing the incompletion.
I'm not surprised that pass went incomplete. I don't think he could even see past that big old defensive lineman rushing him. There's still some time left on the clock, so I'd run the clock down some more and then try for the field goal.
He's looking. Number 8 throws right. Nice reception. With that pass, he closes in on 300 yards.
Chief, take a timeout. No timeouts remaining.
You're in position now where there's some time left, and you don't want the other team to get the ball back after their field goal attempt. They should just stick with a few runs, but still give their kicking team enough time to do their thing.
4-man front this time. Dropping back. Rolling right. He's looking. Gets the pass off. Williams was the intended receiver. Number 8 had defenders closing in on him there.
He saw the rush coming, and he tried to force it in there. Obviously, it didn't work.
2nd and goal. 6th play of this drive. He's going to throw. Looking for a receiver. And this pass is completed. And he slings it in there for the touchdown.
He sure did. The quarterback knew exactly where he was going to be and threw the ball right on target.
And so he connects again and is thrown for 4 touchdowns today.
Set.
And it's on its way, and he tacks on the extra point. So they're now up by a touchdown. Janikowski is back and ready to put this one in the air.
Number 20 to receive.
He gets the kick away. Trying to give them good field position.
We've got a good one going here today.
The quarterback trying to get his team closer here on 1st down.
And it's every quarterback's dream to drive his team down and throw the touchdown that brings him back. I'll tell you, he wants nothing more than to do that right here.
Only one man in the backfield.
Make it happen, dude. Make it happen.
They'll go with the pass. Green passes to his left, and this pass is completed. The receiver did a good job bringing this pass in.
You can't have a great catch without a pretty good pass, and they had both on that play.
1st and 10. Ball on their own 37.
They need that touchdown, so I'd expect them to keep passing here.
2nd and 10. Ball on their own 37. They'll go with the pass. With the pass. And the catch is made. He hangs on to the high pass.
You can go to this guy anytime, even if it's not a perfect throw. He has the uncanny ability to always come up with a catch.
And it looks like there's a penalty on the play.
Offside. Defense.
1st and 5. Ball on the 28-yard line. The Chiefs line up with 3 wide receivers. Drops back. There's a flag on the play. Passing to his left. Number 31 got in there for his first tackle.
The penalty is declined.
First down and goal to go.
Watch the pass. Watch the pass. Watch it. Watch it.
So they've had a lot of success so far in the red zone, and they'll try, obviously, to continue that here.
You don't always need to rely on your running game to pick up huge gains out there. Using it as a change of pace is an effective strategy.
That's the end of the game. The final score is Oakland 28, Kansas City 21. A reminder to join us next week for another exciting NFL game. This has been a presentation of EA Sports. And this is Al Michaels for our entire crew saying good night.